health insurance becomes a very critical factor in divorce, and it can be the tail that wags the dog of the divorce. Because if you cannot get health insurance after the divorce, you could be in serious trouble, and your spouse could be in serious trouble from liability for your medical expenses.
Now, one way we can protect people is if one of the spouses is employed and has a group health care plan through their work and that covers the other spouse. When that divorce happens, the non-employed spouse has a right to continuation of that coverage for 3 years. It's under COBRA. Just like when somebody that's employed loses their job, they have a right to continuation of insurance. The same federal law applies in divorces to give that non-employed spouse up to 3 years of coverage under that plan. Now there's some expense involved in that, but at least gives 3 years of coverage. And what I advise people to do is get their own policy individually early on in the process. Don't rely on COBRA, because they may be insurable today, but tomorrow something might happen to them that would prevent them from getting their own individual coverage. So really take control of that at the beginning, because this is so important. We can get wiped out by medical debt.